Good morning.
You honey, McDonald's. Mommy, I made McDonald's.
No, you always trying to get McDonald's. You always trying to get McDonald's. Good morning, y'all. I'm not showing my face because I look a mess. I sound like I just woke up. But yeah, I'm gonna start my vlog off today. Alright, y'all, so I'm just sitting under the dryer getting my hair done. Nothing much. My little bitty hair. But yeah, just sitting here with Lele. This is the fit for today. I'm about to get on live and do my makeup. I was gonna do a tutorial, but I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I was gonna do a tutorial, but no. I'm gonna see y'all when I get my hair done. Got a ponytail. I did change my clothes, y'all. I had on the purple, but I wasn't feeling it. It wasn't fitting the upper part right, so I'm like, no, this has to go. But you are going to see this outfit in a clothing haul, y'all, when Duke rate me. But yeah, I'm trying to find somewhere to pop out today because today's supposed to be like 90 degrees, but shoot, it's Wednesday. Trying to pop out, might meet up with some people. That's it. I'm about to do a tutorial right now though.
Where's the baby wipe at? Where's the baby wipe at?
Oh, you can use that. Make a wipe. Looking like he's just trying to fuck yeah. I have to go, I think, get something to eat. I'm trying to see if we can go to the show real quick. And then after the show, I'm trying to hit up the strip. If they still bar hopping. They be out till like 4 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna see since it's Pride Week. And we're out of here. Definitely gonna show y'all. But yeah, it's lit. We out.
I want you in my life, girl, fucking solo. The arguments and fights, I can't do it no more. You ask them all right, and I really don't know. That's good morning, I get it.
Should've got more footage. I should've got change. Thank you.
But we was on the ride.
What you say? Hold on, yeah, I said I was gonna get you. I got you. I'm coming back this way. I gotta go get some change. When I come back this bar. Man, why you coughing like that? That weed getting to you?
Yeah, I hit it tomorrow.
Y'all, this part yesterday. That's what I said, me too.
Yeah, I don't want to get poisoned and this shit.
Exactly. My point.
Yeah, I don't want to get date raped. Motherfuckers hit me with the bill card. You got a real birthday play today.
Alright, y'all, so I always start my vlogs off later in the day, but right now I'm about to go get my nails done. I don't know if y'all can see them. It's so bright. Damn. I don't know if y'all can see them, but let's see. I'm gonna go get my nails done, even though like I don't need them. Let me zoom out. But yeah, this right here is coming up, if y'all can see that. But yeah, I just did some makeup. Like, I try to do feathers in my bang, but y'all know whenever my work is done and it looks like this is my work. This is not my mama's work. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna be heading on my way because it's all the way out west. This weekend has been crazy. Like, I just feel like I'm gonna do tutorials, but I think I'm gonna vlog more this summer because like this summer I'm not trying to stay in no house. y'all. So I'm gonna vlog more this summer because I want to go places and stuff like that. Like, you'll get a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna stick to every Monday and Thursday, but I just have to be consistent. Like, y'all, it's been so crazy. Like, what I be thinking I be wanting to say, look at that bang, so old school. But yeah, what I be thinking, I be wanting to say to y'all, but I don't want to, you know, I don't want to get too personal and tell my business. Even though, you know, back then that was so me. That was so me. I be ready to tell my business. But yeah, now I'm just doing this thing where I be trying to hold the emotions inside and not say nothing at all. Girl, and it has been really hectic. Definitely gonna meet y'all there.
Gang, gang, gang. No.
Look, you play too much,
Ugly.
y'all. So ugly.
We said, well, I'm at work. She's not at work.
Yeah, I'm about to get my nails soaked off. She about to do rainbow on these.
They gonna be super ghetto long.
Yep, they showed you.
Yeah, we finna get it cracking.
It's gonna be lit,
I
y'all.
got some more, but I
That's how
don't
long I like them.
give it. It would be so boring if somebody vlog getting their eyelashes done. They sleep. Cameras. You can see it on the other side too, or you can just see it right here.
No, only right there. Because it look cute.
So when you be doing your makeup, you be like kind of looking at yourself.
Yeah, I got like a big stone.
Y'all might be from that rotate.
It's moldy as fuck. Moldy. My ass showing. Go ahead and cover it up. Alright, y'all. So we waiting on some people to come so we can smoke, drink. That's all I want to, cause I ain't even get to enjoy when I did it. Everybody else did, but not me. I had to be the designated driver. My booty still showing.
Stank.
Who stank?